better than the weekend. We can take a break to what we said. Just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'll fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can show me just what I'm missing. Pretend. Don't wanna.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Angie with Blessed Creations. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for joining your girl. Thank you for all those who have stayed here with your girl. Appreciate it. Can't thank none of y'all enough. I so appreciate y'all. So without further ado, let's get on into this concept. If you haven't seen, I've done a short a while ago about these bags at $1.25 Tree, and I am going to be using that to make a concept. Alright, so I have this bear that I had some time ago. Our Dollar Tree 25 Tree cups. And I've got these at Dollar Tree. And these I got a while ago at Dollar General, a while back, y'all, when I didn't even understand penny shopping, but I did pick these up. And I think that was my first find of penny shopping and done with penny shopping, and was over with for me. So I couldn't really understand it and how to find the deals and all of that. Didn't really take the time to focus and understand that. But anyways, we are going to get on into this concept here. Y'all, don't throw your boxes away. So I cut pieces off the box to the size of this bag here. And I chose to use the blue bag. I just think orange and blue together, it just, in my eyes, look good to me. Hope it does to someone else. Here, let me cut this tag off of here so before I forget. And making sure all tags are off of everything, which I did. I'm only using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items plus the bag, 6 items. I forgot where I got these socks, but it came in another gift a while ago. So we're gonna put this down in here like so. I'm gonna be taping these items down as much as possible. I already know I want the bear in the center, so let me find my tape. It's just gonna stick down. I might as well just tape the whole, you know what? Let me tape the whole board, because I already know I'm gonna put shred on here. I'm gonna stick all these items down. So I'm just gonna tape up my entire little board here, because I'm already knowing that I'm going to be needing it to be taped up. Get some big pieces here. I'm just clipping the ends together and making like double-sided tape. Alright, so I got my board all taped up. I'm going to stick it back into the bag like so. Alright. So, like I said, I already know I want my plush bear right in the center. I got to turn it towards me, y'all, so I can make sure I get him in here right. Like that. Cute already. Just like that. Just, these are my little grab and go bags. Okay, so let me see where I want to put the cup. And I gotta be careful because I don't want this stuff to be stuck. Do I want it on this side? I'll put it on this side. Let's just put it on this side. Like so. And then, okay. I'm gonna stick. I gotta look. Let me look at this here. I can just leave these 3 items just like so and put my bow on it and call it a day, right? So do we really need the socks? The little fuzzy socks in here. Cozy looking. Yeah, I guess so. We can. I'm just gonna stick it in here. I'm just gonna put you in like so. We ain't gonna make it difficult. I need some tape on him, so let me see how to make my perfume stay to the back. Let's see if I can stick this on you. Yeah. Something like this, y'all. Anyways, I already pre-made my little bow here. So I don't know if I want it on. I'm gonna put it on this side. This is why I need some glue dots so I can tie those in. But anyways, let me try to put this bow on here like so. Just tie around. Let me see how to tie it on here. Yeah, I gotta find my glue dots. I do have some, but where are they at? I don't know. Oh, I'm still in the camera. So let me tie my bow on here. Trying to hold this closed. Alright, let me find my scissors. I didn't really need to find my fabric scissors. I have fabric scissors, but I don't know where they are, so definitely need to go find them bad boys. Because they don't be cutting. These here just like get on my nerves, girl. Let me see. Alright, something like so. Once I find my glue dots, I'm gonna glue these ends together and done. Just got a cup, a bear, some spray, some lotion, with cozy socks to put on your feet. And that's my grab and go bag. Now hold on. That's my grab and go, grab and go, grab and go. I gotta keep playing with this bow. Y'all already know. Just gotta keep playing with the bows. Done and done. Oh wait, I said I was gonna put shred in here, huh? Did I say I was gonna put some shred? Well, you know what? So I was gonna use some brown. Let me see. I forgot, y'all. I said I was gonna use shred in here, but I don't think we really need. I don't really have to. I really don't, but I am. Because I put so much tape on it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Especially in the back, because we need to cover all that tape up. If I put all the tape in here, we gotta cover that up. Cover that up, cover that up, cover that up. And I'm just using this brown because of my little gold cup. Let me put some up here. I almost forgot. I'm just like trying to hard to get done. Okay. Like so, and then in front of my, I'm gonna go in front of my cup up here. See if I can reach in here without untying everything. Oh. Okay. That's what I needed to shred. Put all that tape down here. I literally forgot that I put all that tape. Okay. I'm just put them up under the socks a little bit just to even it. So, anyways, now okay. Alright, now y'all, I am done. I almost forgot to put the shred in. I want her little feet to be up and seen, so I'm gonna cover up her feet. Done with this done. And that is that for that grab and go bag. Alright, so I am back with the pink bag this time in this bear. Alright, so let me put my board in here. Already pre-measured. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, again, we're putting our bear in the center. So I need to turn it this way so I can see which one I want to go. Yeah. So let me put this bear is kind of bigger than the other bears, so I'm gonna put the cup on this side this time. I do like her holding the spray. And we're gonna put the body wash. This time we got body wash instead of socks. And we got the lotion. So let me see, how am I gonna do that? I could put the lotion in front of the cup, I guess. Right? Bring her hands over here so that we can put the body wash. Like so. And pretty much done. Now I'm gonna go in with my little shred here. Our little shred. Just a little bit to cover up this brown board and this tape that we got going down here. Like so. And she's kind of big, so she's covering up a lot of space, which is awesome, unlike the orange bear. We're gonna go in the back here. Like so. On this side. I think we good. All right, so that is the purple one. Let me try to put my bow somewhere. I just I was gonna tape that in. Hold on. All right, so let me try my best to take this backing onto my bear so she can hold that up. So once I get my glue dots, I'm gonna glue dot that together. Just thin plastic. But on this side, I'm thinking of this bow, y'all, but I don't know yet. I need to invest in some really nice ribbon. That's what I need to do. That's the plan. To invest in some really good ribbon. A ribbon. I am supposed to cut this, but right now I want to get it on the bag so I can see how it looks first. Alright, so now let me work with this bow, because honey, who's supposed to not giving me nothing right there. Alright, so first let's work with these long tails that we need to cut off, because we can't see nothing going on in here. So I am about to cut all this off short. And praying that I get it the way I need it, the length. So I need to get my right scissors, y'all, because these things is not giving me nothing. I don't like this pink. I needed to find my darker pink, but I don't know where none of that ribbon is either. That's why it pays to be organized, y'all. You need to be organized, because when you're not organized, you're just out here. You're just out here doing stuff. I'm gonna turn it back to y'all in a minute. I got to work. I got to see what I'm doing, and I can't see that way. So right now I'm just trying to work with these tails. We're trying to do what we can do with this. And the thing is, we're just gonna keep playing with it and playing with it until we get it. Maybe I should have put it on this side, because I don't know. So her head is that way, and I feel like I'm covering up her head. So let me try something. Hold on, just hold that thought, y'all. I feel like the bow is just covering up her entire head, face. Even if I do cut the tail short, I just still feel like it's covering up the face. So I'm gonna go on this side. Alright, so let's go over here. Tying it up that way. Pulling up off of the straw. The weather outside is... Alright, so now let's see what we're working with here. This is that like satin material. Anyways, there she is, y'all. I don't know. Let me turn it around. Let me work with it before I show y'all that. Before I come out some there she is. Let's get it right first. Let's get it right. Get it right. Let's try to get it right anyway. Fluff it out. I hate when I can't cut right because my scissors won't want to act right. I feel like I want to put... Okay, let me see something really quick. I'm going to try to attempt to make a little... Just because of the... Should I add? Well, y'all probably can't pick. It's not really picking up on my camera. There's this little gold, like, could you see how the bottles have this color in it? So I was thinking to bring this a little to life if I add that into the bow. Or is that doing too much? It's giving me Christmas. It's giving me Christmas. So I'm just gonna take a little string here. I'm gonna give it a try and see. I'm gonna cut the tails, of course. So let me just add it in here really quick and see what we can do. Think about like, what the heck? How she got all this tied on here? And then and it's got a lot of glitter on it, that's for sure. Alright, so let me work with this really quick and I'll turn it back around, praying that my camera can pick this up so y'all can see kind of what I'm doing. It's just giving, girl, get your life. Alright, so let's see, let me try to snip these down. So anyways, that is that. This is supposed to be quick, simple, and easy. That's the bow for her, and that's all we got. That's all she wrote. And that is my grab and go bag. For that one, I'm gonna go look for my glue dot so I can finish fixing that. All right, so that's 2 grab and goes for y'all. Listen, thank y'all for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, thank y'all so much. And if you haven't done so, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I truly appreciate y'all. Y'all be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing to someone else. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness.